Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are the most powerful explosions in the universe. They can release as much energy in a few seconds as our sun will in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. GRBs result from the death of massive stars or the merger of neutron stars. They are so powerful that they can be detected even when they occur billions of light years away. This makes them valuable tools for astronomers who can use them to study the early universe and the formation of black holes. If a GRB were to occur close enough to Earth, it would potentially wipe out all life on the planet. However, the chances of this happening are very slim. Gamma ray bursts are a fascinating and mysterious phenomenon. We are still learning about them, but they offer us a glimpse into the most extreme events in the universe. For more videos of Cosmos in a Minute, follow The Secrets of the Universe.